In that we are going to see about exercise 2.6 13th problem. See the question. Question is e power x into 1 by x square minus 2 by x cube. You have to integrate with respect to x. See here. Consider f of x is 1 by x square. This 1 by x square I am going to take it as f of x. Now I am going to differentiate first. What is f dash of x? Minus 2 by x cube. So this one I am going to write it as integrate e power x. This 1 by x square we can write it as f of x plus minus 2 by x cube. I am going to write it as f dash of x dx. I am going to integrate with respect to x. This formula is given in page number 35. What is the formula for this? E power x into f of x plus c. What is f of x given here? 1 by x square. Just you have to substitute this f of x here. So our answer is e power x into 1 by x square plus c. This one you can write it as e power x by x square plus c. This is very important formula. It is given in page number 35. Okay. See next 15th problem. Next I am going to do 15th problem. See the question is e power 3x into 3x minus 1 by 9x square. First I am going to simplify this. See e power 3x by 9x square. Split it and write this. And then split panni edukkom. Now you can cancel 3. This x also you can cancel. So what is remaining here? E power 3x 1 by 3x minus 1 by 9x square. Now take LCM for this. What is LCM for 3 and 9? Our LCM is 9. So I am going to multiply here by 3. So e power 3x 3 by 9x minus 1 by 9x square. Okay. This 9 you take it outside. E power 3x by 9 into 3 by x minus 1 by x square. Now see here 1 by 9 into e power 3x. This 3 if you take it, this we can write it as 3 into 1. So see here 3 into 1 by x minus 1 by x square. Now I am going to integrate with respect to x. This one you can integrate. You can put dx. Okay. See, I am going to consider f of x as 1 by x. What is f dash of x? Minus 1 by x square. Now this is of the form. This is the formula. See here. 1 by 9 integrate e power ax into what is 1 by x? 1 by x into f of x. A into f of x plus minus 1 by x square is nothing but it is f dash of x. So plus 1 by f dash of x dx. This formula also it is given in page number 35. You can see there. So this is 1 by 9. Apply formula here. What is the formula for this? You integrate e power ax a into f of x plus f dash of x dx is e power ax into f of x plus c. You can write it like this. So last answer is 1 by 9. Here our a is nothing but that is 3. You can substitute the value of a as 3. So e power 3x. What is f of x? That is 1 by x. So e power 3x into 1 by x plus c. Last step is e power 3x by this 9 and x I am going to write it as 9x plus c. This is the answer. Have you understood, children? Two formulas I have used here. One is c without a, only e power x. Our next formula is with e power ax. Have you understood, children? With this exercise 2.6 over. Okay. See. Next I am going to take next exercise 2.7. In that exercise 6 formula is given. With the help of that formula only I am going to solve next exercise 2.7. See all the 6 formula is given in page number 38. You can see page number 38, 6 formula is given. I am going to use that formula in this exercise. See the first question here. What is first question given? 1 by 9 minus 16x square. First I am going, you have to integrate with respect to x. First I am going to simplify this as, I am going to rewrite and write it as, this 9 we can write it as 3 square minus 4x whole square. Now I am going to integrate with respect to x. So you can write it as integrate dx by 3 square minus 4x whole square. Okay children? Now this is of the form. Which formula we can apply here? See, integrate dx by a square minus mx. This 4 I am going to write it as m. I am introducing here one variable m. mx whole square is equal to, see here, 1 by m into 1 by 2a log of a plus mx by a minus mx plus c. Have you understood children? If m irukku, see here one constant is here. Here 4 irukradhunala introduce m. If you 4 illana, just you can write it as without m. M illama edutha. 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. Have you understood? Now substitute here. What is the a value here? A is 3. M value is 4. Just you apply in our formula. What is this next step here? So 1 by 4. Here our m value is 4 into 1 by 2 into 3 log of our a value is 3 here. So 3 plus 4x by 3 minus 4x plus c. Have you understood children? Just substitute in your formula. Now you simplify here. 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So 1 by 24 log of 3 plus 4x by 3 minus 4x plus c. This is the answer. Have you understood children? See, next second problem. See the second question. 1 by 9 minus 8x minus x square. Have you understood? Now I am going to rewrite this and write as, see here, 1 by 9 minus, take minus outside. That means you will get x square plus 8x. 1 by 9 minus, how you have to simplify this? See the part, x square is there. You have to write x square x plus. See the number here 8 is half, you have to write x plus 4 whole square minus square this. 4 4s are 16. Okay. So 1 by 9 minus x plus 4 whole square. Take minus inside. Minus inside. Plus 16. So 1 by, what is 9 plus 16? That is 25 minus x plus 4 whole square. This 25 I am going to write it as 5 square. 5 square minus x plus 4 whole square. Now this is of the form. Now we can integrate. Integrate. Now integrate dx by 5 square minus x plus 4 whole square. Now this is of the form. We can apply formula here. See, integrate dx by a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus b. This formula it is given in page number 38. You can verify this. So, what is the answer for this? C, which is equal to 1 by, our a value is 5. So 2 into 5 log of 5 plus, here our x value is x plus 4. So 5 plus x plus 4 by 5 minus, take minus inside. X को minus 4 also you will get minus plus c. So our answer is 1 by 10 log of 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus x by 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus x plus c. Have you understood children? See here, only this formula only I applied here. This is very, very important formula. This question will last only in 2 marks or 3 marks. Next I am going to do third problem. See the question here. What is third question given? 1 by 2x square minus 9. Now I am going to rewrite as this 2x square. I am going to write it as root 2x whole square. Root 2x and square you will get 2x square only minus 3 square. Okay children. Now integrate dx by root 2x whole square minus 3 square. So this is of the form. This formula is integrate dx by mx whole square. X kuda or number vandra you have to write mx whole square minus a square, which is equal to 1 by m into 1 by 2a log of mx minus a by mx plus a plus c. Have you understood children? This formula only I am going to apply here. So m value is root 2. What is our a value here? A value is 3. Just apply in this formula. So 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 into 3 log of root 2 x minus 3 by root 2 x plus 3 plus c. Now you can multiply and write it here. 3 2s are 6 root 2. 1 by 6 root 2 log of root 2 x minus 3 by root 2 x plus 3 plus c. This is the answer for this problem. Have you understood children? Next you have to do fourth problem, fifth problem and sixth problem. The same method you can do. Just you know how to simplify this. This one you have to know. The simplify panna therinjada you can use apply formula. Okay. See, I ask you to put class up for you. Afterwards, I will come and check it. Okay, children? See next, seventh problem. See here, what is the seventh question given? E power x by e power 2x minus 9. Okay, you have to integrate with respect to x. What I am going to do, just keep it z is equal to e power x. What is d? Is differentiate with respect to x here, you will get e power x dx. Okay, now apply in our question. What is the question? You have to integrate with respect to x. Question is e power 2x minus 9 dx. Okay, so now what is e power x dx? That is nothing but dz. Now the e power x dx we are going to substitute this dz. So integrate dz by, see, you have to use exponential rule here. E power 2x on every e power x whole square. Okay, how I got this? See, e power 2x you can write it as e power x into e power x and other than that is only e power 2x. This one we can write it as e power x whole square. So e power x whole square minus 3 square. 9 square is 3 square. What is the next formula here? Here I am going to apply our third formula. See in page number 38. See what is given? Integrate dx by, see here, x square minus a square is 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. This formula only I am going to apply here. In the formula I am apply panna. In the place of x I am going to substitute e power x. What is the value of a? 3. Now substitute panna. So the answer is 1 by 2 into 3 log of e power x minus 3 by e power x plus 3 plus c. Just multiply and write 1 by 6 log of e power x minus 3 by e power x plus 3 plus c. This is the answer. See, next 8th problem. See what is the 8th question given here? 1 by root of 9x square minus 7. See, this one I am going to write it as, see here, denominator la root irukku. So next formula I am going to apply here. See, 1 by root of this 9x square I am going to write it as 3x whole square. See, if you multiply, same thing only you will get. Minus the 7 and என்ன எழுத போறோம்னா root 7 whole square. Root 7 whole square is nothing but 7 தான். Okay. So integrate dx by root of 3x whole square minus root 7 whole square. இது எந்த ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்குன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா integrate dx by root of mx whole square minus a square. What is the formula I am going to apply here? M னு வந்தாலே 1 by m log of mx plus root of mx whole square minus a square plus c. See, இங்க m இல்லனா see in your book, இங்க bookல பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த m இருக்காது. m இல்லாம என்ன பண்ணிருப்பாங்க? Just they substitute and அது differentiate பண்ணி போட்டுருப்பாங்க. This method you can use, easily you can solve it. இந்த மெத்தட்ல இந்த ஃபார்முலா அப்ளை பண்ணி போட்டீங்கன்னா easily you will get the answer. 1 by n log of mx plus root of wherever x is there, அங்க வந்து இந்த coefficient இங்க 3 வரதுனால you have to use m here. Okay, log of mx plus root of mx whole square minus a square plus c. So now listen, what is the value of m here? See, compare and see. M oda value என்ன இருக்கு? m is 3. Our a value is root 7. Just you substitute in this formula. So 1 by 3 log of 3x plus root of 3x whole square minus root 7 whole square plus c. Again you simplify and bring it to our original question. திரும்ப அதை simplify பண்ணி நம்ம original questionக்கு கொண்டு வந்துருங்க. So 1 by 3 log of 3x plus root of 9x square minus 7 plus c. This is the answer for this problem. Have you understood, children? See, this is the third formula I am using here. Book la pathina page number 38 la this is the third formula. Okay, book la pathina they won't give m கொடுக்காம நம்ம differentiate பண்ணி solve பண்ற மாதிரி இருக்கும். Here I introduced m and just ஒரே ஸ்டெப்ல நம்ம எழுதிடலாம் answer. Okay. One by x square plus 6x plus 13. See, one equation is given. Is the root. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணனும்? First you have to solve this equation. இது எப்படி solve பண்ணனும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா see here. Split it and write root of. How you have to write it? எப்படி எழுதணும் சொல்லிருக்கேன்? x square னு வந்தாலே x plus. Okay. This 6 ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு half 3. So x plus 3 whole square. Now you square this 3 3s are 9. So minus 9 plus 13. Have you understood, children? Split பண்ணி எழுதியாச்சு. Now see 1 by root of x plus 3 whole square plus 4. 13 minus 9 is 4. This 4 I am going to write it as 1 by root of x plus 3 whole square plus 2 square. Okay. Now simplify பண்ணியாச்சு. Now I am going to integrate with respect to x. So integrate dx by root of x plus 3 whole square plus 2 square. Okay, this is our last step. Now you have to integrate with respect to x. See, இப்போ நம்ம formula வச்சு compare பண்ணி பாருங்க. What is the formula? Integrate dx by root of x square plus a square is, what is the answer here? Log of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. Okay, here where the x value is x plus 3. Compare and see. What is our x value? X is x plus 3. A value is 2 here. Just to apply now formula. Log of x plus 3 plus root of x plus 3 whole square plus 2 square plus c. So, log of x plus 3 plus root of, what is the answer? Square panninga you will get the same question here. X square plus 6x plus 9 plus 4 is 13 plus c. This is our last step. Have you understood, children? Simplify panni kondu vandadinga, just you can apply na formula. See, like this you have to do 10th problem and 12th problem. 11th sum I will do. Okay. See your textbook. What is the 11th question given here? See, our 11th question is x cubed by root of x power 8 minus 1. Have you understood, children? This one I am going to rewrite as, இதை எப்படி எழுத போறேன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா x cubed minus here, நமக்கு formula பாத்தீங்கன்னா x square minus a square. So I am going to write it as square. Square ல கொண்டு வரணும். So x power 4 whole square எழுதலாமா? 4 2s are 8 only minus 1. Okay. Now z is equal to, I am going to take this z as x power 4. What is dz? Differentiate பண்ணுங்க. 4x cubed dx. Okay. So see, the question பாத்தீங்கன்னா integrate போட்டீங்கன்னா this is dx. X cube dx தான் இங்க இருக்கு. So bring this 4 to this side. அப்ப dz by 4 is equal to x cube dx. In the place of x cube dx இருக்கிறது என்ன போட போறோம்? dz by 4. So see here, integrate dz by 4 by root of z square minus 1. So 1 by, see this 1 by 4 take it outside. அப்ப என்ன வரும்? dz by root of z square minus 1. You can apply formula here. What is the formula? dz by root of z square minus a square is nothing but என்ன வரும்? log of z plus root of z square minus a square plus c. Have you understood, children? See, on the question la x irundhaduna x potukkom. Here z is there, so I put z. Okay. So now see, you have to write this 1 by 4 also. In 1 by 4 vittra padadhu kondu varum. So 1 by 4 log of, what is our result here? X power 4 irukka. So x power 4 plus root of x power 4 whole square minus 1 plus c. Now you write the last step, 1 by 4 log of x power 4 plus root of x power 8 minus 1 plus c. This is the answer for this problem. See, like this you have to do 12th problem. Okay, children, எப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணனும்னு தெரியுதா? You have to bring this problem this of the form. See, நம்ம simplify பண்ணா நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சிரும் which formula we can apply here. அந்த formula எதுக்கு கொண்டு வந்துட்டு just you apply in our formula. That's all. புரியுதா? Next I am going to do 13th problem. See, in 13th problem I am going to apply this formula. Integrate root of x square minus a square dx. See, this formula is given in page number 39. That is equal to x by 2 root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. This formula I am going to apply in question number 13. இதுதான் இப்ப நம்ம அப்ளை பண்ணி போட போறோம். Okay children, this is given in page number 39. See the 13th question. See what is the question given? Our 13th question is root of x square minus 2. This one you have to integrate with respect to x. See, I am going to rewrite as this is integrate panna porom. How we have to apply formula and paaka porom. See, I am going to rewrite as see root of x square minus root 2 whole square. Okay children, root 2 whole square dx. Now you compare and see what is the formula. Root of x square minus a square dx is x by 2 root of x square minus a square by 2 log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. This formula only I am going to apply here. See x is greater than x is now. What is the value of a here? Root 2. Just you substitute in our formula. That is x by 2 root of x square minus root 2 whole square. Here also root 2 whole square by 2 log of x plus root of x square minus root 2 whole square plus c. Have you understood? Now you simplify this in our room. X by 2 root of x square. What is root 2 whole square? That is 2 only. 2 minus. This will become 2 by 2 only. 2 by 2 log of x plus root of x square minus root 2 whole square plus c. 2 by 2 will get cancelled. 1 item. So last step is x by 2 root of x square minus 2. This you will get. If you cancel this, you can have only log of this part. Okay. So minus log of x plus root of x square minus 2 plus c. This is the answer for 13th problem. Have you understood children? Just easy. The formula there is no more. Just you have to apply here. Question simplify panni apply panna. Easily you can get the answer. Okay. Like this you have to do 14th problem and 15th problem. Now I will do last problem in this exercise. 16th problem. See here. The last problem also you do by yourself. If you have any doubt you can ask. See, totally I gave 4, 5, 6, 7 problems as homework. Do it and send it in our group children. If you have any doubt you can ask. Okay. Thank you children.